This video will describe the assessment of and assessment for learning techniques used in Team Together. Assessment for learning is an important tool for monitoring student progress. It can include a variety of activities, such as classroom discussion, group work, or homework. The key here is using your students' work to inform your teaching. The Teacher's Book Introduction has lots of techniques, tips and guidance on assessment for learning to allow you to see what support your students might need. At the start of every lesson in the Teacher's Book, the stages of assessment for learning are listed. These are indicated with icons throughout the teaching notes. If you want your students to be successful in the learning process, it is best to tell them what they are going to learn and what you expect of them. And then review this at the end of the lesson. Monitoring students' learning helps you to adjust ongoing teaching, increase interaction, provide better feedback, and improve outcomes. The Teacher's Book offers many techniques for monitoring students' learning. Team Together has been designed with lots of opportunities for pair work or group work, giving students the opportunity to share knowledge and learn from their classmates. It also allows you to monitor them in the process. Long-term formative assessment allows students to develop critical thinking skills about their own performance and become more aware of the process by which they learn. There are opportunities throughout Team Together for students to show what they know or self-assess. The reviews at the end of every unit give teachers and learners an opportunity to review progress. The progress path at the end of every book allows teachers to monitor learning and fill in any gaps. Any test can be used either as an assessment of learning or an assessment for learning tool. Assessment of learning usually takes place after the learning has happened and provides information about what students have achieved by giving a mark. However, you can also use the same tests as an assessment for learning tool by providing feedback on students' strengths and weaknesses and giving them suggestions for improvement. All assessment materials for Team Together can be found on the Pearson English portal. Click on Resources and you will see Tests. The folder includes PDFs, audio files and teachers' notes with answer keys and audio scripts, so you have everything in one place. Let's have a look at what types of tests are available. The placement test can be used as a diagnostic test at the start of the year, to review learning from the previous year and to help assess students' ability. The unit tests can be used at the end of each unit to monitor students' progress through the course, to give students feedback on their achievements, and to identify areas requiring reinforcement. The 3 end-of-term and end-of-year tests can be used as informative and evaluative tests for reporting purposes. All the tests, apart from the placement test and external exams prep, are available in 2 versions, A and B. Version A offers the test at the standard level, while version B is slightly higher. However, both versions of the test contain tasks that are similar or the same type, and you can use them simultaneously in the same session. Regular practice for Cambridge English qualifications is embedded in the series, with Get Ready For lessons, exam task types, and tips. The pre-A1 starters, A1 movers, A2 flyers, A2 key for schools, and B1 key for schools preparation tests can also be used to help prepare students for the Cambridge English qualifications external exam, or for general test-taking practice. You may also wish to use the additional components in the Team Together series and the English benchmark test to prepare for and monitor readiness for external exams. We have now discussed assessment in Team Together. To learn about other aspects of the course, please watch other videos in the series.